guys, welcome back to my channel. This is chapter 33, Come Together, Fall Apart. आज मेरी आवाज़ थोड़ी सी अजीब सी लग रही थी मुझे पहले, अब सही लग रही है. Come together, fall apart. Let's see. Before long, it was the day of the homecoming game. As I pulled on my cheerleading uniform for the first time since I ditched the squad, I couldn't help but feel the nerves. We had one last practice before the game started later in the afternoon. I had to make it count. I got the field just in time to see Lauren slip from the top of the pyramid, leaving Iris scrambling to break her fall. Lauren, run it again. If you forget the choreography one more time, Ava will have to find somebody better. The squad turned toward me with stunned faces, taking in my uniform and giant smile. Addy, you're back. You're not grounded anymore. Looks like the squad's gone to shambles. I have been missed. For real, we need you, Addy. Ava's been freaking out since you left, and Lauren couldn't stick the crown jewel if we superglued her three there. I can hear you, Iris. It sounds like the squad has spoken. You don't get to just waltz in here and decide that. Not after you turned your back on us and walked out of practice. She glared at me, but the fury in her eyes were tempered by something like longing, too. She looked on. Don't you worry about being the diamond crown jewel. I traced our steps to the girls' locker room, and when I pushed open the door, the sound of the sobbing echoed off the walls. Ava, are you okay? Do I look okay? I bet you are eating this up right now. Why would you think that? Just don't. Don't start pretending you care about me now. Ava, I'm sorry about us. You're my best friend. I should never have betrayed you like that. Thanks for saying that. I trusted you more than anyone, Adi. My heart heavy with guilt. I sat down beside her on the bench and wrapped an arm around her shoulder. For a second, she bristled at the unexpected touch, but then she leaned against me, laying her head against my shoulder. I honestly don't mind that you're into maths anymore, Adi. As long as you didn't lie to me about it. I was mostly mad you tried to steal him behind my back. This whole time, I was scared to talk to you about him because I didn't want to hurt you. You're really okay with it if I keep seeing him? Yeah, I think I am. I want things to go back to normal with us. I have missed you so much. There's no way you have missed me as much as I have missed you. Having to talk about all of my problems with Mac was a revelation. Ava looked up to me, her eyes still shining with tears. She was so beautiful. She even cried pretty. Addy, you say that, but you wouldn't understand. What do you mean? Forget it, it's nothing. She took a deep breath and then slowly stood, brushing the folds from her skirt. The crown jewel is yours if you want it. Yes, Ava, I knew you had come around. Let's round the girls back up and kick some cheer ass, co-captain. I still had so many questions, so many things to say to her. I didn't know it then, but we had made our way back to the squad. A frantic call came from the field, shocking me out of my thoughts. Heads up. It's coming straight at me. I just barely caught the ball as Noah ran over from the midfield. Sorry about that. Coach's new plays aren't really pedestrian friendly. Hopefully he didn't see me almost murder you. A strange expression crossed Java's face as her eyes flickered from mine to Noah's. I'll leave you two to it, Addy. We'll wait for you to come back before we start. As she jogged off, I lobbed the football back to Noah. How are you feeling about your chances with that starting quarterback spot? Noah let out a sharp bark of a laugh, and I jolted in surprise at the outburst. He caught himself, taking in a deep breath. I need coach to pick me. The scouts are showing up to watch the game any minute now, and I need a scholarship. Bad. It's my only shot at going to college. Who else is gonna want to fund the misguided youth who want to juvie? Now tried to keep his composure, but I could see panic in his eyes. I wanted to show him that he wasn't alone. I wanted to wrap him in my arms and never let go. I reached out and touched his arm, keeping him in place. He looked up from my fingers surprised. Addy, what are you doing? This. My hands found the back of his neck and I pulled him down to my weight, burying my face into the crook of his neck. Slowly he melted into me, realizing the tension he had been holding since he had come over. Harris, get your ass over here and we might be able to nail this play before the game, unless you had rather watch from the bench. Right, Addy, I gotta go. And I have a routine to practice. Good luck. On my way back to the cheer squad, I passed Mason, who was anxiously pacing. No way, it's bad luck. If I sit on that bench this close to coach's decision, I'll be sitting on it for the rest of the season. The pressure must really be getting into you. You only get this superstitious when the stakes are high. Yeah, I had counted my entire future is in Jeopardy. As high stakes, I am so weird. I can't remember a single play. How about I give you a kiss for good luck? I help you study. I slipped the book from his hands and glanced over the formations before picking a complicated one. If coach calls an option play, what choices do you have? I can take the ball and run, hand it off to the full back, or throw to the halfback. Okay, it's all starting to come back to me. Everyone, huddle up. We are running one last play before I decide who our starting quarterback is. Looks like it all comes down to this. Later, Addy. Mason and the rest of the football team took their starting positions as I practiced with my spot. When I had the chance to take a breather, I looked over at them. Maybe I could fire up the guy I secretly wanted to get the spot. I'll cheer for. Oh god, this is actually not gonna help because now is the chance कि मुझे किसी एक को चूज़ करना है बाद में भी क्योंकि मैं उसी को चूज़ करूँगी ऐसे मैंने सोचा है. So it will be Mason or no. 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 I guess by the expression of Ava's behavior, I guess she will soon melt for no. So I am taking Mason. And since both are very close to me, I'll cheer for Mason. Between. My decision can be changed. You got this, Mason. Mason's At least it helped him. Soon the bleachers filled with people, and as it was time for the game to start, we stomped, shouted, and cheered to rile up the fans before taking our positions on the sidelines. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for your Eastbridge High Varsity football team. The boys rushed through the decorated banner, with Mason at the front in the starting quarterback spot. Go Mason. Well, अभी ये चैप्टर थोड़ा सा लेंदी लग रहा है ना क्योंकि पहले के सारे चैप्टर्स तो बहुत ज़्यादा छोटे थे. The opposing team took the field and straight away. The game was rough. Eastbridge quickly lost possession of the ball and touchdown. Already, these guys are like lightning. We need to start a cheer now. I had to say it, but Lauren's right. If we don't raise the morale, this game will be over before we know it. I am in. As co-captain, what do you think, Addy? The guys were panting for breath, their faces disappointed. I knew Mason wanted this so bad, to show off for the scouts, to show what he could do. Girls, let's cheer the boys on, or I can say have a little faith. There's no need to pull out all the stops yet. They can still come back from this. But Eastbridge kept losing more and more ground. The boys looked desperate for the break as the referee called halftime. Family and friends, please pull your hands together for the cheer squad of Eastbridge. That's a cue. We took our places center field, and as the music kicked on, the squad came to life on the field. Do a round off. Toe touch. High kick. I'll do Addy, go, show them what a crown jewel's got. And as I climbed to the top of the formation, her hand was the one that held me steady as I stood head and shoulders above the field. Come on, Eastbridge, let's hear it. I flipped from top and struck the landing. Ava smiled at me, and I knew it wasn't just for the show. This was the moment I had worked for since I was a cheerleader. I thought I'd feel ecstatic, maybe even enlightened somehow. But instead, it just felt empty. Addie, what's wrong? I don't know. I was finally standing at the same pinnacle my mom did all those years, but I didn't feel any closer to her. And just like that, the spotlight lost its appeal. The second the music ended, the squad raced to the sidelines and piled together in the group hug. We nailed it. It's good to have you back, Addie. I'm so glad to have you back too, Ava. But I think I'm done with you. I quit. Oh my god. What the next chapter brings us will I see. This will only chapter 34 tell us. Okay, so ready? And I'll bring this next video soon after it. Thank you. Bye bye.